What's up, boys? Today didn't take a trade. Honestly, didn't even look at the markets today. It was pretty hung tits. If you guys go to school or are in any sort of Greek life, you know that there's some date parties once in a while. And yesterday, my girlfriend had a date party, so went and was a little irresponsible, drank a little too much. But I'm still smart enough to know, like, if you're not going to be in the right mental state, you can't trade. You can't put risk on. And it's a big boy decision to make because obviously when you trading's very exciting and like the opportunity to make money just like that basically, without actually doing any work. Like it's very appealing and exciting and you always want to do it, but you have to have discipline, bro. Discipline. If you understand, like when you're hung tits or hung over, if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, if you're hung over, you're not gonna be in the right state of mind to make good, rational, logical decisions based on what your eyes are seeing. You're gonna be acting at a God knows what the fuck you're gonna be acting out of. But yeah, I made the big boy decision last night that I'm not gonna trade today, and I did good. I went to jiu-jitsu instead, still dealing with a little shoulder injury, but fuck it, dude. Right now it's around 2 o'clock. Just want to come on, look over the markets, and see what opportunities we missed. Cause even though I wasn't actively on the charts, there's just still stuff to learn, from every day's price action. Dude, the Wi-Fi is gonna be bullshit today. Let's see. EU. Was there anything? Not really. I don't really see any clear draws. I guess maybe this one. This could be a high we're going for. I don't really know. This is pretty ugly today, to be honest. Oh. Yeah, I don't really see anything. There could be a trade from here, but that's at 7. We didn't sweep anything or do anything. This is just chop. No trade on EU. Let's go to GU. There's a potential trade now. But I guess, let's see. Oh, well, there was a trade on GU, sorta. Maybe, sorta. So we come here. Oh, this could have been D's. So we see price makes this leg up from this low to this high. This purple line's equilibrium, and we know that this is a 15-minute or hourly fair value gap formed right here. So this hourly fair value gap right here is my draw, right? So we see price come, we inverse this fair value gap on the 5-minute. Low key, I could have looked to enter right off this inversion because there is nothing else that would support price. So if you look on the 1-minute here, this is all just, look at this fucking liquidity. Look at this liquidity. That's perfect. So right on this candle, is a potential trade, This high, I would have probably just targeted this low, take off my whole position. But I think partials are actually smarter. You can take off one there, one there. The final TP for 3R. It'll take you out of break even though. So there you go. That's one pause trade. A little retrace in the hourly. On USDJPY, nothing, dude. No breaks of structure. I guess we inverse this for value gap, but this is kind of at the top of the range. I'd want to maybe see a break of structure or something, but this is a pretty obvious one too. The draw could be this. The draw could be this equilibrium level here, but again, we're so close. Like inversing this for value gap, we're so close. The stop would have to be here. I don't know if the risk to reward would be there. We'd have to enter somewhere here. This would be a negative risk to reward trade. And like if we're in a downtrend, like as you see here, I'm not gonna be taking longs like in a premium, bro. No way. That's how you get cooked. I've been cooked and burned too many times, my friend. So now I'm fucking locked in, dude. Looks disgusting. This looks sus too. Fuck out of here. Whoa. What happened here, dog? We're selling off hard on gold. We failed to make a new higher high too. Very, very interesting. So we're probably coming for this low now. But how the hell would we have known that? 15-minute maybe? Yeah, there's nothing. We just dip, dude. We just dip hardcore. Huh, that's interesting. Let's see on ES and NQ though. These are the main pairs we be watching. First, let's start off with ES. What do? This is a high. Surely we come take this out in the next couple days. It's lagging behind NQ. We already got it out. Boom. Perfect. As highs up here. These lines just represent liquidity. And all I gotta decide is where the fucking market is getting liquidity from. It's either engineered to go hunt an imbalance, like right here. 5 a.m. though, that would have been a decent trade. Right in from this hourly imbalance, you can see some. We could probably see some cool price action out of here. Yep, like something like this. Break of structure, enter on the retrace of this range. So maybe enter in here. 50% maybe. Stop at this low. Boom, target highs anywhere here. Because you're playing an hourly continuation, so you're able to target way higher. You're just entering on the 1 minute. But the actual trade idea comes from the hourly, like, you know what I mean? Like, we're in an uptrend. Price comes to imbalance. And the trade idea is just we're going to continue on up. It's pretty simple shit, I feel like. When do we log on? 9:30. What's happening at 9:30? So at 9:30, we got this high. We got this high. 100% I have a bullish bias. Ooh. I wonder. This could have been so easy of a trading day. So look, we see we have an imbalance, right? What happens in the 1 minute? Where's the fucking So we move up. You gotta take this. So this is the 5 minute bullish gap. We come in, we fail to close 5 minute. We fail to inverse it on the 5 minute. We wick out. You gotta kind of just take the closures out of the imbalance. So you take it here, or take it here, because that would be the end of the close of the 5 minute candle, and you set your stop loss right above the low. This would be a 1 hour trade though. This would be a 1 hour trade right away, secure, or you target here. But again, you take off partials at this level, so that would have been a small win today. Or if you put the stop here, ooh, you'd have to target. See, like, it's not worth it. Like, for me, I'd probably put the stop here and just target here, because that's a 1-to-1, very, very high probability. Like you're just bullish on every time frame, bro. Let's see what else. So we come, that's one possible trade. We could maybe take the sweep of this too. So market opens. I wouldn't take any of this though. Dude, low key though. Low key. I feel like if we're bullish, we would be holding this imbalance now. So we sweep this high, and boom, we displace down. Another trade could have been this. We closed below that, out of that, we inversed that 5 minute fair value gap. Put the stop, I guess, at this high, and I could target this next imbalance. But then, actually, now I'd move my stop to, like, that's the sketchy thing. It's a very, very small stop. But this would be a quick, very quick scalp. Boom, 1 minute candle. Scalping. Just scalping. Targeting, like, areas of liquidity. That would be a fucking scalp. That'd be less than 30 seconds of a trade. Yeah, I don't really see too many opportunities here. I low-key would have taken something like this, dude. It's like we invert. Like, I'm trying to think with my brain how it's working. So we have this 5 minute fair value gap that should hold. If we're bullish, it should hold, right? But then what do? We make a 5 minute fair value gap. Bearish now that inverses the old fair value gap. So I wait for price to retrace, right? Like we see. Boom. Boom. And then what do, boys? We inverse this bullish fair value gap. Damn, this is a trade and a half. So I would take this right here. Where would I put the stop though? This actually would have been a loss for sure. Because I doubt I would put my stop up here. What, up here? And target where? Down here? No, dude. Shitty ass. Hmm. I would definitely look to get short here though. That's another potential trade. But I probably would have gotten stopped out by putting my stop above these highs. I would have put it here. I already know. That would have been a quick stop. I mean, this is already lunch hour, so technically that first trade would have been it for me. And this one right here, this imbalance in here, we wick up and we displace out of the Ferrari gap. The low maybe here. Target this high. But yeah, this is a very sus trading day. I'm happy I wasn't involved because conditions don't seem too well. Like when there's no big fair value gaps on the 15-minute or the 5-minute, it's not, I don't want to trade that much. Like there's nothing to trade. Like no liquidity got swept or anything. I guess this high. But yeah, fuck that. We also swept the lows here. Maybe play a reaction off of that. Well, yeah. Because you see here, bearish for value gap. Inverse. Take the 5-minute inverse. Put the stop below this order block. Boom. Easy 1-to-1 there. That's fucking easy. 5-minute candle, bro. Just like that, dude. 1-to-2.4. We sweep lows. Look at that. We come in. Take out a high, take out a low. We inverse with displacement. Boom. Take it to the top. Ride it. Ride it up to here. Fuck it. 1 to 1.6, dude. Fuck. If you can hit 1-to-5s, 1-to-1s, but hit them like 70-80% of the time, you are extremely profitable. Extremely. And do you not want to be trading? What sounds like a more fun trading style? Losing like 60-70% of the time, but hitting big, crazy, rare, infrequent wins? Or would you rather be the kind of guy who's taking base hits, $100 a day, whatever, risking 100 to make 100, but you're leaving each session, dude, I cannot speak English, cannot speak, but I'd rather leave each session feeling like a winner because that is really good for your mental state of mind. Like, you're not. How motivated are you? Are you going to be to come in and analyze these markets if you haven't won a trade in 3 weeks because you're on a losing streak? And if you have a low win rate, that's just what the fuck's going to happen. I've traded low win rate strategies, and dude, it's just brutal. It's brutal. All of that ARA swing trading shit, 35% was like the win rate I've on average gotten from FX replay and in real time trading. Dude, with a 35% win rate, bro, you're gonna hit losing streaks of 15 trades. You're swing trading, taking a trade a week. That's how many months? That's almost 4 months without a winning trade, bro. Dude, you can still be profitable and do that. But the thing is, that's not the kind of money that's the kind of approach when you're like done with trading. Like, you already have your money. That's the kind of approach you can take when you don't give a fuck you money, for example. Like, who gives a fuck? But if you're in my situation, you gotta trade frequently, low time frame, high win rate. That's the keys, bro. That's what helps your psych. It's a lot easier to stick to your rules and have good trading psychology when you have a high win rate system. If you're trading a low win rate, high R, sniping small stop losses. Fuck, dude. Good luck. Good luck, bro. I've been there. But yeah, that'll do it for today's video. Hope you guys got some value, some sauce maybe, but you know, still happy I got to go on the charts. It's Valentine's Day. Hope you guys make sweet love to your partners. Show your affection. Get some nice roses, some chocolates maybe. You can eat it off her I don't know, her tits or something. I'm just yapping, bro. But yeah, have a good one, boys. See y'all next